What are you doing? What have you got? No, it's not a baby, is it? It's a balloon. You got a balloon on your wrist. Mine? Hiya! Gone? What's gone?
It's all gone.
Don't like it, do you now? Do you want me to take it off? Do you not like it? You're trying to get away from it. Spitting at Daddy is lovely.